Hey guys, it's Chloe and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be your guide to the coconut girl aesthetic. So the coconut girl aesthetic you may have seen floating around TikTok. I know that's where I found it. And I would best describe the coconut girl aesthetic is what you would wear on a beach vacation in the early 2000s as a kid. So very like tropical beachy trends, but what we wore to the beach in the early 2000s and also super girly. So I'm going to be sharing my interpretation of the coconut girl aesthetic today through outfit ideas and a few DIY accessories and clothing pieces. So I have around 5 or 6 outfits to share with you guys. Also, I have 4 DIYs for you guys to try that have to do with the coconut girl aesthetic. So I have DIY glitter tube tops, DIY glitter tattoos, DIY hair wraps, and bracelets and necklaces. These were all big trends in the early 2000s, so I'm going to be showing you how you can get the look, but DIY style. One more thing before we begin this video, if this is the first time you're seeing my face, hi, I'm Chloe. I make girly beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe down below if you haven't already. I hope you all enjoy, and let's get right into the video. So I'm going to be starting off this video with a super easy clothing DIY, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your own bedazzled tube tops. I used to love wearing these when I was around 8 or 9, and I had 2 favorite ones. One was light blue and one was light pink, so I thought I would recreate them for you guys today. First, you're going to need some iron-on transfer gems. I got these online, so I will be linking them down below along with other designs. And then you're going to need your tube top. You're going to start off by deciding where you want to iron on your gems on your tube top. I like to place mine right in the center of my tube top. It gives it a nice focal point, very simple and easy. And then you're going to peel off the paper part of your iron-on transfer, so you have the sticky side facing down. Next, very carefully, you are going to be placing your iron-on transfer right where you want to iron it on. And make sure that's really on your top good, because the next step is ironing. Now, very importantly, you want to make sure your iron is on a low setting, because if it is too hot, your plastic will melt and stick to your iron. So make sure your iron's on a low setting, and then you're going to carefully be ironing over the plastic. And you want to do this a bunch of times. Just make sure your iron's not too hot. And once you think all of your gems have stuck to your top and the plastic has cooled, you are going to carefully peel the plastic right off of the gems, and your gems should be stuck to your shirt. I'm absolutely obsessed with how these tube tops turned out. You can totally do this with any other articles of clothing, but I just thought I would spice up some of my plain Brandy Melville tube tops that I already had in my collection. And the iron-on transfers were so affordable. They were only $1 plus shipping from this website I found, so I'm absolutely in love. These tops are so cute to wear to the beach or just on a casual summer day, and they make me feel so nostalgic. My first coconut girl aesthetic styling tip of the day is to grab everything bright, colorful, and pastel in your wardrobe and just mix it all together. Perfect pastels to mix together for the coconut girl aesthetic are pastel pink, lilac, light blue, yellow, and seafoam green. So I decided to grab this super cute rainbow skirt from Loveshackfancy and pair it with both of my tube tops that I just bedazzled. Both of these outfits are giving me major mermaid vibes, and speaking of mermaids, H2O and Aquamarine are perfect examples of coconut girl fashion in the early 2000s media, so I would highly suggest going back and watching that TV show and movie to get some outfit inspiration. Whenever I think mermaids, I think braids. So for my hairstyles for these looks, I decided to go with loose waves, and for the pink outfit, I did a little side braid, and for the blue outfit, I did 2 braids pulled to the back of my head. These are super simple, easy hairstyles, perfect to wear for the beach, and they definitely capture the coconut girl aesthetic. Sticking with the hair theme, for my next DIY, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create these colorful hair wraps on you and your friends. Fun fact, my mom actually used to do these on me and my friends for my birthday parties when I was around 8 or 9 years old. All you're going to need is some colorful embroidery floss, some mini hair ties, and a pair of scissors. So this is my friend Kat. She's just picking out the colors that she wants me to do on her hair. And typically I would advise you guys to pick out 3 different colors. So I just pulled a lot of mermaid themed colors, very coconut girl-esque, and I just had me and all of my friends pick out the colors that we wanted to use. Once you have all of your colors picked out, you're going to want to take 3 strands, 1 of each color, and measure them out to 2 times your arm length. And then you're going to snip them and fold the colors in half, so now there are 2 strands of each color. Let's get started with this hair. So you're going to want to pick a strand of hair that is behind some hair, just so you don't see the top of your hair wrap right off the bat. And you're going to want to braid that piece all the way down to the bottom and secure it with a mini elastic hair tie. Once you have your perfect little braid, you're going to take your string and tie it around the top of your braid. Make sure that your string is still folded in half, and you're going to want to make the knot in the center of the string. So you're going to have 2 pieces of each color hanging down from your braid. And now to start off our hair wrap, you're going to want to take 2 of the same color, or it could be 2 different color, whatever you like, and you're going to separate it out from the bunch and start wrapping it around the braid. So all the other colors are going to be wrapped inside with the braid, and you're just going to want to make sure that no hair is peeking through as you create your hair wrap. And once you feel like you got enough of the one color, you can actually switch colors super easily. Just grab 2 strands of the next similar color that you want and begin wrapping. You don't even need to tie a knot in between, because this is just going to stay. The longer you get down your hair, the more secure the hair wrap is. So I just love switching off colors and creating different patterns. It's really fun. This is definitely why I would suggest doing at least 3 colors in your hair wrap, because it's just gonna look like a really pretty rainbow. And once you reach the bottom of your strand of hair, you're going to want to leave a little room for hair to hang out, and then you're going to just tie a knot with the embroidery string at the end of your hair and cut off the excess string. Also, at this point, the little hair tie should be slipped out of your hair, and then you're going to pull the rest of your hair out and you are done. But wait, there's more. So if you want to spice up your hair wraps, you could get some colorful beads. I got these off of Shein, and you can string them onto another piece of string and tie that around the bottom of your hair wrap. I think this is such a cute little touch, and I just love the little colorful flowers I chose to go on mine and Kat's hair wraps. These hair wraps are such a fun beach activity to do with your friends, and you get a cute little accessory out of it too. They stay in for around a week before they get dirty. And to take them out, you literally just unwrap it from your hair, and your hair is not harmed underneath because it is braided. Next up, I'm going to be sharing another outfit with you guys, and this is the outfit that I wore to walk around Cape May, which is a beach town near the Jersey Shore. So I'm wearing this lavender baby doll dress. It's super flowy. Baby doll dresses were very popular in the early 2000s. I remember the summertime Bratz dolls would always be wearing these. This dress is from Island Gypsy, and that's a boutique in New Jersey, and it has this little cutout in the back. It's super light and flowy, so it's perfect to wear just walking around in hot weather. I decided to pair my lavender dress with super colorful beachy accessories, so my hair wrap, some arm candy, a flower necklace. And lastly, for my shoes, I'm wearing my lavender Loveshackfancy Supergas from this year's collection. They have pink, purple, and yellow flowers all over them. I just really love floral print, and I think these are the perfect beachy shoe that definitely capture the coconut girl aesthetic. My next DIY accessory for the coconut girl aesthetic is beaded jewelry. Making bracelets and necklaces was such a fun summer activity that I remember doing as a kid. I bought all my bead kits from Shein and chose kits with bright colored beads and beachy girly charms such as flowers, hearts, seashells, and stars. Here is some of the jewelry that my friends and I decided to create. So I made this rainbow floral bracelet. Hannah made a Carlos bracelet, which is the name of her boyfriend, and Hannah also made an anklet with her boyfriend's nickname on it. I just love these letter beads. I think they're super cute. And Kat made a necklace out of these really pretty sea beads. I think they're very beachy, and she also spelled out her boyfriend's nickname on her necklace as well. Now I'm going to be taking you guys through my bracelet making process. I decided to pick out some starfish and flower beachy beads, as well as these sage green sea beads to create my bracelet. I'm using stretchy white string just so my bracelet has some leeway, and I'm starting off my bracelet by taking one little green bead and double knotting it around itself to start the bracelet. This way, when you start stringing your beads onto your bracelet, none of the beads will fall off and your bracelet is secure. And then you can just go ahead and begin stringing your beads onto your bracelet. I loved following a pattern. My color theme for my bracelet is green, pink, and yellow. So I think it's super beachy. I'm absolutely obsessed with bracelet making, and especially at the beach, it's a very peaceful summer activity that I will definitely be doing again soon. As you can see, my bracelet is coming along nicely. I used a mix of yellow and pink stars and flowers. And once I was done with my bracelet, I just tied a knot around another green sea bead, again to secure it, and then tied basically a triple knot to create my bracelet. And then you're just going to cut off the excess string and you have yourself a homemade bracelet. I obviously made this bracelet to match my green dress that I'm wearing, and I think it matches quite perfectly. I also love how I layered it with some of my other bracelets, one from Big Sur and another one from Shabby for Me on Etsy. I think this bracelet stack is super cute and definitely a beach must-have accessory. Now let's talk about beach cover-ups, dresses, anything that you would wear to the beach as a coconut girl. So my sage green dress that I'm wearing right now is by Princess Polly. I think it's so adorable to wear over a bathing suit. It's nice and short, which is cute for a little cover-up. For that coconut girl look at the beach, opt for a mini dress over a bikini and layer on the girly accessories. This beach outfit kind of reminds me of Sharpay Evans. This is a Juicy Couture top that I decided to wear as a beach cover-up, and I paired it with this patchwork crossbody bag by Target. It reminds me of Loveshackfancy, so adorable. And to finish off this look, I'm wearing my giant white Dior sunglasses. Totally reminds me of the scene in High School Musical 2 where she has her musical number in the pool. Next up are glitter tattoos. So I always used to remember going to the boardwalk and getting these done. So luckily enough, I actually found a kit on Amazon that you can do them yourself. These are some of the designs that me and Hannah decided to do on ourselves, and without further ado, let me show you guys how it's done. The Amazon kit includes all of the materials that you will need to create your glitter tattoos, and I will be linking the kit down below that I used in case you guys want to try these out. First off, in the kit we have these really cute sticker stencils. So those are going to be the shapes for your tattoos. Then we have some glitter glue. The kit also includes a few brushes, and these are going to be used to place the glitter onto your glue for your tattoo. And lastly, of course, we have glitter in every color of the rainbow, literally 2 times over, because there's every shade of blue and pink and yellow that you can imagine that's perfect for creating your tattoos. First off, you're going to pick your stencil and decide where on your body you want your glitter tattoo to be. So once you have your location picked out, you're going to peel off your sticker and stick it right onto your skin. Hannah chose a pineapple tattoo, and we decided to stick with the very summery theme for our glitter tattoos, so I also chose some cherries and also this cute little whale, so you're going to be seeing more of the glitter tattoos that we are going to be doing throughout this tutorial. Now it's time for glitter, so I decided to go with a hot pink and an emerald green for my cherry tattoo. First, you're going to want to glue down a section at a time of your glitter tattoo. So you want to do this in small sections just because you don't want the glue to dry out. And once you have your glue down, you're just going to take your brush and lightly tap it into your glitter and tap the glitter onto your glue. So you want to be very careful with this and make sure to apply lots and lots of glitter to the glue pieces, just so your tattoo will come out even and complete. So here's Hannah doing her pineapple tattoo. As you can see, she's only doing a section of the glue at a time. She chose a bright green for the top of her pineapple and then went ahead and started tapping the glitter onto the glue to fill in her entire stencil. Another glitter tattoo that Hannah decided to do is a sun peeking out from a cloud. So again, she's only filling in one portion of the glitter tattoo at a time. And the same applies for the rest of the pineapple, which she decided to go with this bright neon yellow to fill in the pineapple portion. And now back to me filling in the leaves and stems of my cherries. Once your entire tattoo is covered in glitter, you're going to want to wait a couple minutes and then slowly and carefully peel the stencil off of your skin to reveal your glitter tattoo. Here's Hannah finishing up her sun that's peeking out from the cloud. This design turned out perfect since it was one of the last ones we did and we got our technique down pat. Hannah's glitter tattoos look super cute and beachy together. The pineapple and sun totally match the coconut girl aesthetic. This is how my little whale tattoo turned out. I think a dolphin tattoo in this aqua blue glitter would have looked super cute as well. If you search up coconut girl on Pinterest, you're bound to see tons of glitter tattoos, so I decided to cover myself in them. I put a cute little blue butterfly on my side to match my bikini and a pink seahorse on my thigh. These glitter tattoos stay on around 3 days if you don't scrub them off, and they're the perfect beach day accessory. I have one more coconut girl outfit that's filled with trends to end off this video. So the first one that I want to point out is the hibiscus print. So hibiscus was really big in the early 2000s and people are adopting it into the coconut girl style. I'm wearing this light blue hibiscus print bikini top by Shein and I paired it with my brown tie-dye ruffle skirt by Aerie. These two together are an example of the light blue and mocha brown color combo that was so big in early 2000s summers. I could totally see one of the old school Disney girls like Miley or Selena wearing this outfit back then on their day off at the beach. And on that note, that sums up this video on how to be a coconut girl. That is my guide to the coconut girl aesthetic. I think these outfits were super fun. I had the time of my life going to the beach like every couple days filming this video. I would say my favorite DIY of this video was definitely the hair wraps. Those are super fun and easy, so I would highly recommend you guys try that out. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed these different fashion and DIY aesthetic videos. I would love to make more. And with that, I hope you all have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!